Hello guys, this is the part 2 of the Dasol tour. Ilan naman pupunta tayo sa Tambobong Beach. Papakita ko sa inyo ang napakagandang dagat ng Tambobong.
A few moments later.
Yan, isa po yan sa Bilyas dito sa Tambobong. Napakaganda. Kung gusto nyo pumunta dito, come here. Yan, nandito na po tayo sa Smenia Point. I love Smenia Point. Napakaganda rin po dyan, guys. Dyan po, pamunta yan. Marami pong accommodation dyan, guys. Pwede pong mag-overnight dyan. Ngayon naman pupunta tayo sa pinaka-sentro ng Tambobong. Papakita ko sa inyo ang mga transit house dito. Malapit na rin tayo dyan, guys. Yan. Kung makikita nyo, may mga transit house na dito. Yan po. O kikita nyo dyan. Yan. Isa po yan sa resort dito, Habanas. Ayan pa po, napakarami dito. Mawiniling kayo lang dyan, guys. If you choose it, choose that. What? Ito po, malapit na tayo dito sa pinakasentro ng Tambobong Beach. Ang kanilang barangay. Barangay ako ng Tambobong Beach. Ang po may mga resto bar din po dyan. Yan. Marami pong pagkakainan dito, guys. Umili lang po kayo dyan. Tabi-tabi po yung mga transit house dito, guys. Ito po, yan po yung covered court ng Tambobong. Yan po, maraming mga sari-sari store din po dito pagbibilhan. Yan, may mga palayan din po dito. Yan, mga transit house po yan. Mga resort. As you can see in the far awarenesses, nakikita nyo na po yung dagat. Yan. Yan. Holy Beach. Po, napakaraming mga cottages dito. Tabi lang po ng dagat yan. Kaya gusto nyong pumunta dito, din pumunta na kayo. Yan, magkakatabi po yan mga yan. Lahat po yan mga cottages. Napakaganda po ng dagat dito. Yan. If you like to go here, and then go here. Okay, alright, Nesses. This place is so beautiful, Nesses. What a wonderful Nesses. You look at the house, it's color green. It's so beautifulness. We're now in the Ukinatos na. In the Mordo, as you can see the rice melness and another resort nesses. And then we are going to other side of Tambobong. The back side of Tambobong. As you can see, is many resort here, and then come here. You can see the beach, so beautiful nesses, and other transit house here, and so many trees. And the street is so nice, not bako-bako. That is Crocodile Island in the end of the island. Look at that. It's so wonderful, nesses. That is another resort here in Tambobong. And then we are going to the backside of Tambobong. There are so many coconut trees here, and mango, and other trees, bamboos. What are you saying? Oh my goodnesses, that is mangoes. And here is the other villas here, but not finished it. Look at the sea. It's so beautiful. We are in the backside of Tambobong. So you can see the rice mill in the street. They are drying the rice. We are now in the backside of Tambobong. There are so many houses here and resort. That is other resort here. So beautiful. And that's other resort here. Look at that. There are so many houses here in backside of Tambobong. Oh my goodnesses. And the And then we are going to the beautiful spot of Tambobong, here in backside of Tambobong. Just wait. And here we are. I promise you that here is so beautiful. We are stopping here Stopping. There are carabao in there. And so many rice here. And that is carabao. Low. Hi, what are you doing? Here is the beautiful place here in that side of Tambobong. As you can see, so refreshing here. If you want to relax here and just go here. Look, look at the sun, so beautiful, and the water, the rock formation, so nice. And that's it for now. Thanks guys for watching. Hope you like it and enjoy it. Please follow, like, and share. Thanks guys. Bye.